It's almost midnight, and Sarah is still scrolling. One headline says AI will take every job in 5 years. The next says AI is pure magic, and the one after that says it's an existential threat to humanity. She closes 12 tabs and opens a 13th, some app promising to write her essays, plan her meals, and read her mind. She has no idea which one is useful, which one is nonsense, and which one might actually be dangerous. Does any of this feel familiar? If you've ever felt caught between hype and panic about artificial intelligence, you are nowhere close to alone. Here's the strange truth. Billions of people now use AI every single day, typing questions into chatbots, letting apps finish their sentences. And yet almost nobody has ever been taught how any of it actually works. That empty space between using something and understanding it. That's where all the noise comes from. The hype grows in that gap, and so does the fear, because both are just guesses filling in for real knowledge. This channel exists to close that gap. No jargon, no hype, no doom. Just plain language explanations of how these tools actually work, using everyday comparisons instead of textbook definitions. Every video here is a sketch-style explainer, kept under 6 minutes, because your time matters more than any algorithm's attention span. We'll always tell you honestly what AI can do, and just as importantly, what it can't. You won't be doing this alone. Meet the guide who shows up in every single video on this channel. This little robot doesn't have all the answers memorized. It's here to ask the same questions you're probably asking, and to walk through the answers with you, one sketch at a time. So where does this journey actually go? Think of it less like a syllabus and more like a map, with a handful of key stops that will change how you see every AI headline from now on. First stop: what actually happens the moment you type a message into ChatGPT? Spoiler, there's no tiny person inside, and no real understanding either, just something surprisingly mechanical. Here's a question worth sitting with. If a chatbot can write a poem, does that mean it understands what a poem is? We'll dig into that, and the honest answer might surprise you. Next stop covers something every AI user eventually runs into. The moment a chatbot states something completely false with total, unshaken confidence. We call this hallucination, and understanding why it happens, and how to catch it before it fools you, might be the single most useful skill in this entire channel. From there, we tackle the practical stuff, which AI assistant actually fits your needs out of the dozens now available, and how to write prompts that get you useful answers instead of generic mush. And for every student watching, there's a whole stop dedicated to using AI to actually study smarter, without quietly hollowing out the learning you came here for in the first place. Here's a stranger stat to chew on. In 2016, an AI system played a board game against the best human player alive, and made a move so unusual that professional commentators thought it was a mistake. That game was Go, a game with more possible positions than atoms in the observable universe, and for decades experts assumed no machine could ever master it. That one unexpected move, now famous simply as Move 37, didn't just win a game. It cracked open what people believed AI could do, the same way Sarah's midnight scroll cracked open how confused she felt about all of it, and we'll walk through exactly what it means. This channel is a journey from confusion to clarity, one honest, sketched-out explanation at a time, and every stop on that map is waiting for you. Subscribe, and bring a friend who's just as tired of the noise as you are.